Low in fat, high in fiber, and offering more protein per dollar than meat, beans are a dietary staple in all blue zones around the world, where people live the longest and healthiest lives. Tim McGreevy, CEO of the USA Dry Pea and Lentil Council and the American Pulse Association, nicknamed the King of Beans, shared some fascinating insights about the role of beans in these regions and why they are hailed as a cornerstone of longevity. 1. Affordable and nutrient-dense. Beans are a nutritional powerhouse that offer an exceptional balance of affordability and health benefits, making them a staple in diets worldwide, particularly in blue zones where longevity thrives. At just around 98 cents per pound, black beans provide an incredibly cost-effective source of protein. When compared to more expensive animal proteins like beef, which can cost about $4.60 per pound, or chicken at $3.50 per pound, beans stand out as a budget-friendly option. For those mindful of both health and finances, the price difference is significant. A gram of protein from black beans costs about 1 cent, while the same amount of protein from beef is roughly 4 cents, making beans 4 times more economical. Not only are beans cheaper, but they are also packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while remaining low in fat. They provide a steady source of plant-based protein without the saturated fats found in animal products. Additionally, beans are versatile and easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes, offering a nutrient-dense, sustainable alternative to more costly protein sources, ideal for individuals looking to improve their diet without overspending. 2. The power of color. Beyond their economic benefits, beans also stand out for their nutritional potency, which is reflected in their vibrant colors. Beans boast a remarkable spectrum of colors, and their vibrant hues are more than just visually appealing. They signify their nutritional potency. The rich, dark colors of beans, such as black and kidney beans, indicate higher levels of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in the body. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases and aging. For example, black bean hulls are especially potent, containing up to 40 times the antioxidant content found in white bean hulls. This significant difference underscores the health benefits associated with consuming beans of deeper, more intense colors. Beyond their antioxidant power, the variety in bean colors also reflects a diverse range of phytonutrients and vitamins. Each color offers unique benefits, from the anthocyanins in black beans that support heart health to the carotenoids in kidney beans that enhance eye health. Incorporating a variety of colorful beans into your diet not only adds visual interest to meals, but also maximizes nutrient intake, helping to maintain overall health and well-being. Thus, the vivid colors of beans are a testament to their exceptional health-promoting properties. 3. The versatility of beans. Beans are unique in their dual classification as both a vegetable and a protein source, according to the USDA. This remarkable versatility underscores their adaptability in various dietary patterns and meal planning. As a primary source of protein in vegetarian and vegan diets, beans offer a rich, plant-based alternative to animal proteins. They provide essential amino acids, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals, making them an integral component of plant-focused nutrition. For those who include meat in their diet, beans serve as a complementary ingredient that enhances the nutritional profile of meals, offering additional protein and fiber while reducing the overall reliance on animal products. This adaptability allows beans to seamlessly integrate into a wide range of cuisines and dishes, from hearty soups and stews to salads and casseroles. Their ability to absorb flavors and their diverse textures make them a versatile ingredient that can be used in numerous culinary applications. By incorporating beans into your meals, you not only enhance their nutritional value, but also promote overall health and well-being. This flexibility makes beans a valuable and practical addition to any diet, supporting both health and culinary creativity. 4. A global organization promoting beans. Beans belong to the broader pulse family, which includes peas, lentils, and chickpeas. These crops are not only prevalent in blue zones, but are also supported by organizations like USA Pulses, which promote their consumption and educate people on their health benefits. McGreevy encourages individuals to take the Pulse Pledge, a simple guide to preparing these legumes in various forms, whether dried, canned, or frozen. By taking this pledge, people can access easy recipes that incorporate these health-boosting legumes into their daily meals. 5. Gas-free bean consumption. While beans are celebrated for their health benefits, they also have a reputation for causing gas due to their complex carbohydrates, which can be difficult for the gut to digest. However, McGreevy explains that this problem is usually short-lived and can be mitigated by slowly adding beans into your diet. After about a week of regular bean consumption, the digestive system typically adapts. Additionally, cooking beans with spices like turmeric, ginger, or fennel not only reduces gas, but also enhances the flavor profile of any dish. 6. The need for more beans in the American diet. Despite their numerous health benefits, beans are underconsumed in the United States. The U.S. Dietary Guidelines recommend that Americans eat about half a cup of beans a day, but on average, people only eat around 4 tablespoons. In blue zones, where longevity is more common, people eat a full cup of beans daily. Research shows that for every 20 grams of legume intake, such as beans, peas, or lentils, the risk of death decreases by 6%. Despite the common misconception that beans are difficult to prepare, McGreevy highlights the wide variety of options available today, including flash-frozen chickpeas and canned beans, which make preparation quick and easy. He also emphasizes that lentils, for example, don't require soaking and take about the same time to cook as pasta. 7. Aiding digestion. Mung beans, in particular, are known for aiding digestion due to their high fiber content. While all beans offer a significant amount of fiber, mung beans stand out because they have lower levels of the specific carbohydrate strain that can cause digestive issues. This makes them easier to digest while still providing the fiber needed for a healthy digestive system. 8. Beans as a natural fertilizer. In addition to their health benefits, beans play a key role in sustainable agriculture. Centenarians in Okinawa, one of the blue zones, often garden daily, growing beans and peas alongside other crops like zucchinis and tomatoes. Even if they aren't harvested, beans enrich the soil by adding nitrogen, making them an excellent crop for maintaining soil health. McGreevy notes that beans are not only beautiful and nutritious, but also support a healthy agricultural cycle by enriching the soil for future crops. 9. Ancient roots. Beans have a rich history, dating back to ancient civilizations. The ancient Romans even based some of their family names on legumes, with prominent figures taking names like Lentulus, lentil, Fabius, fava, and Cicero, chickpea. These names symbolized the values of the everyday foods that were staples for the general population, reflecting their importance in the Roman diet. 10. A 10,000-year-old crop. The significance of beans extends far beyond ancient Rome. Israeli researchers discovered fava seeds at a 10,000-year-old archaeological site, indicating that people from the Neolithic era were some of the world's first subsistence farmers. Their diets, rich in important cereal grains, relied heavily on beans like fava, lentils, peas, and chickpeas for protein and fiber. These ancient farmers even stored beans in a way that suggested long-term planning for future agricultural sustainability, highlighting their role as a critical food source throughout history. Today, beans and other pulses are being hailed as one of the most sustainable food sources available, making them essential for future food security as the global population continues to grow. McGreevy emphasizes the diversity of pulses, which can be grown in different regions and climates, from peas, lentils, and chickpeas in the north to black-eyed peas in warmer southern areas. pulses can stand alone as a plant-based protein source or complement other foods, making them a versatile and eco-friendly choice. As a result, they are not only a crucial part of traditional diets, but also a key component of the future of food. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.